Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about daily effort matters. Big sense starts daily, not occasionally. Many work hard once a while, few work steadily every day. Progress prefers repetition. A small effort repeated builds strength. Daily effort reduces pressure. It removes the need for extremes. Consistency stabilizes growth. Stopping resets progress. If you are young, respect the time. Use it wisely. Do something useful daily. Momentum grows from routine. 15 minutes daily beats 3 hours once a week. Shop today, repeat tomorrow. Daily effort matters. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.